How to screen record on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can screen record on iPhone. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right into it. So to record your screen on your iPhone, you'll have a inbuilt or a default screen recorder on your iPhone itself. You can find it on your control center. So you can swipe down from the top right, and the red button that you see blinking is the one that's called screen record. So you should have it on your control center. If you don't see it, tap on the plus icon on the top left. After you tap on the plus icon, you should be in this edit section where you can tap on add a control at the bottom. Let me tap on plus, add a control, and there you can see screen recording right here. Tap on the screen recording to add it to your control center. Swipe up and you have it there. Now when you tap on it, it'll give you 3 seconds to simply start the screen record. You can record the screen, and if you want to record the audio of the screen as well, or of what you're speaking, you will need to long press on the screen recording option, then tap on the microphone button to turn it on. After you turn it on, whatever you speak will get recorded as well. And that's how you basically screen record. Also, all of the screen recordings get saved on your photos. So if you open it up, you can see it getting saved there. And that's basically how you record screen on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.